Hello everyone, welcome back to Cooking with Donna. Today I'm making up some pasta salads. Good summer salad for barbecues, picnics, however you want to eat it. I like to just have it for snacking. But here in my bowl I have a box of the colored Rotini pasta. It's a 12-ounce box. Yeah, that's 12 ounces, 12-ounce box. And this is just something quick. And I'm going to go ahead and pour in everything basically. I have everything you need will be in the description. All the measurements will be there. Clean hands here. That in there. Some diced bell pepper. This is very refreshing salad, guys. Very refreshing salad. Now now you can use any kind of cheese you want. You can use the brick cheese and just chop it up in little cubes. But I found these little mozzarella pearls, which they look like this. Convenient, already done for you. Let's get those in there. Some very well diced purple onion. And some black olives. This is going to come together quick. Now you want this to definitely sit for a while. Any kind of salad, you definitely want it to hang out in the fridge with some plastic wrap or a lid over it for a couple of hours. I got a good handful here of baby spinach. This will all wilt down. Just a good handful of it. I see some cheese I'm leaving out over here. And I have some Genoa salami. Now I just go to the deli and just have them cut me a brick of it off so I can cut it into little cubes. Okay. And I have some Italian dressing. Now you can make your own up, but something this quick, comes together quick. Why bother? I mean, it doesn't take long to make the dressing, but... And as I said, everything is in the description. So we're just going to lightly toss this, and I'll get it plated up for y'all. Almost forgot my seasoning here. A little bit of Italian seasoning. Okay, now we'll toss. Okay, my friends, there's the pasta salad. I'm going to put some saran wrap over it, some plastic wrap, stick it in the fridge because I don't have a lid for this one. But I wanted to put it in a glass bowl so y'all could see there. And it's a beautiful salad, and it's very refreshing, delicious. Now, on the cuts on these, I just used, the little cherry tomatoes, and I cut them in half. The olives were whole. I just cut those in half. And I just put a few onions on top, little thin slices of onions, let you know what's in there. I did mention what salami I used, right? The Genoa salami. And it's basically no right way, no wrong way to cut it. It's up to you. My cucumbers, I just cut down lengthwise, cut it right in half, and then cut them all in quarters and just went across it. But like I said, there's no right or wrong way for this. And Curtis, you need to stop walking, son. This camera's moving. But anyways, to all you new subscribers, welcome to my channel. If you're not subscribed and if you enjoy the channel, please subscribe. I am doing a giveaway at 50,000 subscribers, and the only way you can be entered is you have to be subscribed. So drop me some more ideas, guys, what a household is looking for, whether it be air fryer, pots and pans, little kitchen gadgets. Maybe I'll do 2 or 3 giveaways. That way, if I get more votes on smaller things, we can go that way. But if it's going to be like a cookware or air fryer, it'll be one. So you have to be subscribed, guys, in order to be in the giveaway. So You guys try this salad up, chill it for a few hours, enjoy, and we will see you guys next week. And please subscribe. See y'all later. Love you.